Here's a truth no one's telling you. Women don't chase men because they're handsome, rich, or popular. They chase what feels different. Want to know how to become that guy she can't stop thinking about? The one she wants to pursue? Stay with me, because this is not your typical alpha male nonsense. This is real, raw, and it works. Hi loves, welcome back to my channel, your go-to relationship coach. If you're tired of playing games and want results that work in the real world, hit that subscribe button and let's dive in. You don't chase, you attract. Before we even talk about tactics, let's get this clear. Attraction isn't something you force. It's something you invite. You don't need to beg, prove, or perform. The first secret to making a woman chase you: have something worth chasing. Confidence isn't loud. It's the quiet energy of a man who's good with or without her. That energy, it's magnetic. Most guys try too hard. That makes you look desperate. Instead, be so focused on your purpose, your peace, and your personal growth that she has to wonder what makes you so grounded. Number 2. The law of balance. Pull back to pull her in. Here's a common mistake you guys often make. You meet a girl, and you start doing everything. You are texting non-stop, calling first, planning all the dates, and complimenting her every 5 minutes. It feels romantic, right? But to her, it feels predictable. Women are wired to value effort. If everything is handed to them upfront, there's no thrill, no mystery, no curiosity. You have removed the chase. So here's what you do: match her energy. Don't always be available. Be kind, be consistent, but leave room for her to miss you. Number 3. Have a life that excites you more than she does. If you want her to chase you, be busy chasing something else: your goals, your dreams, your mission. When a man is deeply rooted in his purpose, he becomes 10 times more attractive. Why? Because purpose equals direction, and direction breeds leadership. You become the kind of man who doesn't need a woman, but chooses the right one. That's powerful, that's rare, and that's exactly the type of man women find irresistible. Number 4. Emotional control and mystery. Let her wonder a little. I'm not saying play games. I'm saying stop being an open book on page 1. Let her get to know you over time. Don't overshare everything in one night. Be warm, but keep a little mystery. Also, stay calm. Emotional control is key. If she cancels plans, doesn't reply quickly, or tries to test you, don't overreact. Show her you're not easily shaken. A man who controls his emotions controls the frame of the relationship. Here's the irony: the more you try to make her chase you, the less likely she will. But when you become a man who values himself, protects his time, and stays purpose-driven, she naturally leans in. Because at the end of the day, it's not about tricks, it's about transformation. You don't just want a woman to chase you, you want the right woman to chase the real you. Thanks for watching, and let me know in the comment section that one thing you've done, intentionally or unintentionally, that made a woman chase you. Let's hear your real stories and lessons. Hit the like button, share this with a friend, and subscribe for more real talk on love, attraction, and self-growth. Until next time, keep shining. Bye.